But Haiti is a special case where a country has collapsed. You know the reasons collapsed. And other countries, not just that. Sudan has its own issues. You've mentioned Israel, you've mentioned Russia and other places. This is about governance. And governance needs people to obey certain laws. But also at the same time, the laws have to be also just laws. So you need to elect leaders. This is now about leadership elections. And you need to elect leaders who are sensitive to what the work is all about. So we must walk the talk of honesty, justice, and we encourage all of us, not just police or anyone, every one of us. When you point three fingers are pointing at you. So we are saying, gentlemen, gentle ladies, let's work as our laws tell us, as our Bibles tell us, as our Qurans tell us, and our country will be better.
Thirikari nene nĩ thiĩte na mbere na kuuga atĩ nĩ ĩgũtigĩrĩra atĩ